guys, today's Sunday. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning. I just got a new master cylinder, so I'm going to see if this new master cylinder works and hopefully fixes our issue. Because I mean, the master cylinder is the only thing, is what has to be, well, what has to be our problem. So see if that fixes it. See if this fixes it. Alright guys, this is the new master cylinder. They just gave me the core. I had to put the reservoir on it. I had to buy another one of these because I threw away the hoses. Then I got .4 brake fluid. I just got this basically to just press on the inside. Yeah, so I'm about to bench bleed this. Use the fittings. Obviously, then run along the side. Bench bleed it. Put it on the car and then bleed all the brakes. I also have the bleeder for the ham bleeder. You put it with your hand and you press it. You have to do it with the brakes. So let's get to it. So I gotta bleed a master. I didn't even do anything and there's already air coming out of it, as you can see. So I gotta bleed it. Fluid's inside already. Didn't do anything. Air's already coming out. So I'm gonna grab this and just push it in there slowly, in and out, and do it until there's no more bubbles. Alicate. Probably I think it might be in the bag, I think. Alright, so we just bench bled it. So far we haven't seen any more come out. So let's see. You know, put it on. I'll put it on and you screw it down. Alright, it's on. Man, booster didn't come out that bad. I didn't put too many layers on it, but I don't think it's gonna. Alright, so we just put the mast on. My dad started already immediately pumping it with the hand pump, and there was so much air coming out of it. But we don't know if it's coming out from because we disconnected the lines or there's just air in the line. But immediately there was so much air coming out. Shit was like a fucking hookah lounge in there. Yeah, see now it's like a, oh no, still.
I mean, the cup is full now, so.
Yeah.
I believe I gotta close it.
Yeah, close it. Yeah. You close it, right? This is the new one, right? Yeah. Alright, go. I just filled it up more.
All those little air bubbles.
Yeah, that's supposed to be it. You gotta keep doing it until there's a steady stream. Yes, it's working because the pump is going on. Why the fuck is there smoke coming out of that shit?
You see smoke at?
Bro, there's smoke coming out of it.
Oh, I see it.
What? It's like a hook, I'm telling you. Wait, why is it not working? Is it working or?
There's oil in the bottom.
Huh?
The bottom of oil.
I filled it up. I literally just filled it up. Yeah, it's filled. Maybe it's open too much. Alright, so that one was a little bit better. It was like a lot of bubbles and it started getting to like a stream. We tried it on this side and now this side. I don't know if the hand pump went bad or what, but yo, look at this little babe. Yo, babe. Yo, look at my daughter. She's crazy. Come, baby, come.
Can I sit with her? Where's the button?
Yeah, baby, but I have to pump the brakes in here, baby.
No,
My two girls. Go over. Alright, so we're bleeding it by foot now because I feel like the pump is not really working. So I mean, hopefully this ends up working out because this is not working right now. Alright, so I just started the car again, and it's like when I give the car RPM, that's when the pedal goes all the way to the floor. The rear lines still have some kind of air. I don't think the prop valve is wrong. I don't think that will be an issue because it's still being able to bleed it the right way. So I'm about to look literally one by one and just see if the lines are right. If I did it the right way. I don't know, man. This thing is, as the RPMs go up, fucking pedal on the floor goes down. I just checked the prop valve to make sure we did it the right way. The prop valve lines are where they belong. This rear line though, like, I mean, I'm pretty sure we're doing it right. Look, it just keeps going with air. So we're just gonna keep going and going and going and see if that fixes it. But it's like when I turn the car on and then I give it gas. The more RPM it gets, like that's when the pedal just like goes to the floor. So at this point, like I don't know. We're just gonna keep going. I mean, I don't know. I don't even know if that's fucking normal, but there's like so much bubbles coming out. Look at that. I don't know. I don't know if that's normal or not. You funny. Yeah, so we just did the front. We put the bleeder in the front. When we was bleeding these fronts, there was no air coming out. So we tested it to see if this is actually working. We connected this to the front, and there's a steady flow. When we go to the rear lines, it's literally just continuous air. And I know people told me that I was gonna have to keep pumping for a long time because there's probably like a lot of air stuck in the lines. But I think the two fronts are good. My issue is the back lines, and everything is good. I went inside the car, checked the prop valves. The lines are where they're supposed to be, front right, front left. It's the right way. I didn't really get to check the rears if they were crisscross, but if it was crisscross, it wouldn't be it wouldn't even be getting like a brake fluid flow because it would be crisscross. It wouldn't flow the right way. So I mean, I guess we're just gonna keep pumping and pumping and just see how it goes. Like, look at this. It's just. Alright, update. Yeah, we're just letting it drip right now. See some air comes out like that, but I don't know. This shit is completely the most simplest shit of bleeding brakes is giving me the most fucking hardest shit ever. One of my friends is having the same exact issue, so he can stop, but his shit goes to the floor also. And he didn't change anything on his, so I'm trying to. I don't know, man. I was just speaking to Jeff, so I might have Jeff just come look over the whole entire brake system and everything for me and see if he can figure it out, because it's supposed to be a simple changing the brakes, bleeding it. I don't know, these rear lines, the rear right was giving the most air, and then to some point, at one point it like stopped pushing fluid and then it just like started again. So I don't think it's clogged because it's working. So alright, it should have still going to the floor. I'm gonna block off the booster and see what happens when I block off the booster vacuum, see if it works. If it goes to the floor, I think the booster, it means the booster's back. So yeah. That should sound like that, the car. Damn, I just tried to start the car, but I think I'm too low on gas. This doesn't want to crank over now. But again, this is a bigger fuel pump, bigger injector, so I don't think I could let it go that low. That would definitely be an issue. Trying to crank it, but I remember before when I was cranking it though, with the car, even just like trying to crank over a little bit, where they're getting some vacuum, the pedal will go to the floor. The pedal hasn't gone to the floor now, so I'm hoping good. I keep trying to see if it'll get some gas, but see. Try one more time. Try one more time. That's gas. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it a day. I don't want to mess this car up. I'm leaving shit on jack stands. I don't know. Again, the car is almost on E. Bigger fuel pump, bigger injectors. The car was just on a few minutes ago, so I know it's definitely not the issue. Yeah, I mean, I have no check engine lights on my computer either. I mean, on my ECU from my phone. Guess I'm gonna have to just go and get some gas, and then yeah, go from there. Cause I'm trying to see right now, trouble codes, service engine light is off. Coolant temp, everything seems, I guess, good. Guess it's just gas.